Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue of plugged in Lenovo laptop battery not charging. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly head towards setting. So for shortcut, click on Windows plus I key. In the setting application, go to System, scroll below and go to Troubleshooting. Then after in troubleshoot setting, go to other troubleshooters and if you are able to find power troubleshoot, that means it is related to your battery. If you are not able to find that option, simply click on the troubleshoot run for program compatibility. After that, follow the prompt provided by your device and then you will be able to fix your issue. But if you are still not able to fix the issue of charging your Lenovo laptop, you are suggested to unplug the charger. After that, restart your device and also take out the battery from your laptop and put it back. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.